Bingo, we're live and in person. This is why she's fat. Look at her, she's eating an apple. Okay.
Don't go back.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that. If it doesn't grow back, I can glue it on. Don't panic.
My grandbaby's girl, mama.
So you're
She
not cut that
sometimes when she gets mad at kids,
Oh yeah, I'm cutting your hair.
plays the old
Let's
ace
cut
card.
it.
What did I do?
Tilt your head down.
Oh, heck no, it's all about them.
You ready?
The other day I was really excited to get, no. Because you're getting really short. I feel it. Yuck it up, pal.
Here we go. Are you ready? You have to scream a lot. Here we go.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, but they
Oh
are
my god,
good
that's
now.
really short.
Yeah, you're bald now.
Come on.
Oh my god. Oh.
Run back.
Oh dear. Oh god. Oh yes, right there.
See you later. Alrighty,
Sitting over there.
thanks.
More, longer, shorter.
See you after Super Bowl.
What do you get, an inch a month?
You're already counting. You're already counting.
How long will it back to my
Thanks,
brow strap?
You can go to your bra strap. There's a clip-ins over there about your color. Done, done.
How's it going, Manny? What? How's it going? It's going.
Is that a good angle?
Going, I guess.
I want some coffee. Hold still.
So this must be done. Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of hair.
You want coffee?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I want a coffee. I start cutting your hair. I want coffee.
Highlights.
I need caffeine for this.
I'm just dawned on me.
I told her she's gonna wait at least like
Oh, yeah, but probably not a whole lot.
thanks.
So come on over.
Go on over there, Dom.
Oh my goodness, do I really cut your hair this quickly?
She's
I
got
have
a
it screw in crooked.
Well, that's like really long.
Hey,
Comparison to the other one.
the blinding light.
I want to tuck your hood in. Here, let me tuck your hood in.
No, that was me. I get to this point, it's like, oh, no. Nice try.
Well, see, the bangs grew out really fast. Look how really with my chin. So they grew up fast. I'm gonna rationalize right now.
Yeah. I'll probably just get her wet, but I get everybody wet.
There was this woman at the preschool as a mom, and she has this really cute short haircut. And I said, "Can I just take a picture of your hair?" And she's like, "Oh, not at all. It's so easy. Blah blah." You know, she's like, "No, no." So I said, "Jason, would you mind taking a picture of your hair while I put it back?"
It's Saturday.
I was like, "Her hair?" And I said, "Yeah." And he kept saying that over and over again. And I was really confused. And I said, "Yeah, I already asked her permission. She said it was fine." I said, "I think I might want to show that to Joseph and see what he thinks." And she's like, "Okay." So we get home, and there's this picture of this little girl with these two ponytails sticking straight up on her head. And I said, "Who's this?" And she's like, "That's the little girl. You told me to take a picture of her hair." He goes, "I wasn't going to ask why you wanted to do your hair that way." I was like, "No, her mom, not the kid." So there's this picture of this little girl with these two ponytails up like this, and Jason wasn't even going to ask. He was like, "Well, I figured if that's how you wanted to do it." I was like, "Thanks for your support, babe." But he goes, "I thought it was weird you wanted me to take a picture of that kid's hair."
Jason, come back to us.
It was awesome.
Keeping my stuff in.
I'm like, oh man.
Oh, I wish you could just feel this hair from my perspective that's coming off, though. It's like cutting a doll's hair.
It's so dry.
It's like Barbie hair. It just starts getting so plasticky, so corroded.
Oh, that medicine.
You know, your hands full of it. You were there trying to pretend you're normal. Guess what? You screwed it up by being my friend, and then one of my clients was sitting away chair a long time ago, and the gal Rachel working next to me goes, she said something about, well, I love Joseph to death, even though I'm pretty conservative. Rachel says, bullshit, you're sitting in this chair, you are not conservative.
You're conservative would be here.
Exactly. Whose chair you sit in says a lot about you. Alright. Guild by association.
I've got a contract on Palm. So I'm working with a couple of vendors out there. There's a totally different population. I don't even know how to describe it.
Yeah, it is. Hello, gentlemen. Hello.
How are you?
I'm well.
Good.
It's like all the things that you think, and then they're out hiding in isolation.
And still perpetrating it. Still finding the perpetrator.
And they can basically do it because there is there's not really anyone watching to make sure they're not doing anything wrong.
Exactly.
It's amazing. Like I've heard more disturbing stories in the last 2 weeks from there than I have the entire year with my group. I don't know what that is. Is it just living out there that does it to you? Growing up out there?
Let me hit pause. I'll tell you all about it.
Because you have to like edit this out.
I just mute it, but
Blah, blah, blah.
I don't want any evidence. Around. Oh, look at that. She's so pretty. Back face and all. Edit.